Hi and welcome to the 2018 paper 2 of the Junior Cert Higher Level. This is question 5 we're on right now, and as usual I suggest if you're looking for a copy of these notes, just send me an email at shanetroy@gmail.com. That email should be in the description below, and I would suggest you pause this video and just try to do the question yourself, and if you're stuck, come back to take the answer or get some hints and tips on how to move forward. Now, this is obviously a statistics question here, so first part here is what 10D. Okay, the list below shows the time in minutes taken by 12 students to solve a math problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's correct. Okay, and you have the fast and the slowest of 15, and these are all in increasing size. So it's already organized for you. It's not raw data. First thing it says, part A says, work out the range of the data. Okay, now the range of data is the largest, take away the smallest. So 15 take away 3. I have it here, largest take away smallest. 15 take 3 is 12, and the units are minutes. Okay, so we'll go back, just leave it blank for part 2. Now, part 2 says, work out the interquartile range of the data. If you think of any set of data, say that's the set. The median is the middle value. Okay, the range is the smallest from the biggest. Now the interquartile range is the quarters. So it's basically the median of the lower half and the median of the upper half. The interquartile range is the difference between those two numbers. That's it. Okay, so let's get rid of that stuff there. So let's get the median of this now. It's an even numbered list, so there's not going to be a clear median. So if I look here, 5, 10. Let's go try this here. So we'll have to just kind of figure it out. Put a line there. There's 6 digits below and 1, 2, 3, 6 above. So the median is somewhere in between 9 and 10. Now, simplest thing to do here, and I'm going to just straight here, 9 plus 10. Okay, you're getting technically the mean of that. So you're dividing it by the 2. That would be an answer of 9.5, okay, or 9.5. Now, I'm not asked the median here, but that's what the median is. Now, I'm now looking for the median of the lower half of the data. Okay, that's the lower quarter, or quarter 1, okay, sometimes called. Quarter 2, okay, is the halfway point. Quarter 3 is the median of the upper half, or upper half, and that would be Q3. Okay, the interquartile range is Q3 take away Q1. Now, what are Q3 and Q1? Okay, let's go to the answer here. So kind of trying to make that explanatory. But the median of the lower half is 6 and 7 added together, divided by 2, which is 6.5 or 6.5. The median of the upper part is 13 and 14. Add together, okay, divide by 2 gives me 13.5. Take them away, okay, largest, take away smallest, and you end up with 7, and that's the interquartile range. Sometimes called IQR. Okay, so that's part 1 and 2 are marked together. It's part A finished. Now part B is fairly challenging, in a way. Okay, it's 4 to 5 D marks, so there's a chance to get, the 2 or the 3 hopefully. And B and C are marked together. Okay, so you have 3 different histograms here. Okay, now they look more like bar charts because the area of, the width of the bars is the same. But in histograms, it's the area of the bar that matters, but that won't really be of huge effect in this particular question. Now, see there, this one is fairly constant, okay? So the data is consistently throughout, okay? The mean would probably be in the middle, okay? This one is more or less the normal distribution, okay? So you have your kind of like standard curve like that, okay? But you have very little data on the extremities, okay? And then you have this on the middle, okay, where most of the data is on the extremities, okay? Now we'll get rid of that fluff there. So we're asked each of the histograms above matches one of the statements in the table below. Write A, B, and C in the correct places in the table to show which histogram matches each statement. Now, to a certain amount, some questions can be like, just chance them, okay? If pick A or B or C, okay, try to look at the diagram and figure something out if you're completely stuck. Obviously, if you know what you're doing, just go ahead and do it. You have a 1 in 3 chance of getting an answer right. Okay. Now you might have trouble with justification, okay, if you don't know what you're doing. But let's look at it more carefully. I want to figure out what goes in here. Now, the interquartile range is a quarter of the overall range. So we're looking for, okay, where does the, where would the quarters be? Okay. Now, in a standard deviation, the halfway point is, I'd say it's about there. Okay. Because everything's clustered in the middle, the lower quarter, remember these heights give the amount, it's going to be somewhere like there. Okay, maybe somewhere there. Okay, and that's in histogram B. Now in histogram A, the middle is the middle, okay, and the lower quarter is going to be probably somewhere around there. Maybe a little bit, just ballparking. Okay, it's kind of spread out. Okay, in this one here, okay, the middle is the middle. Okay, and most of your data is fairly spread out, so your rate is going to be, those two bars up, they're small, so probably a little chunk of this, okay, and yeah, it's the same kind of thing, so maybe a little chunk of this. It's going to be something like that, okay. Remember, the height gives the frequency, okay. Now, based on that, hopefully, this would represent like how much of the overall range. Well, it's the smallest, okay. Now, not that far away from that one. But I would imagine that's B. The interquartile range being half of the range. So that's that one's probably next. The half of the overall range. Okay. So that's A. And then the last one here, it's a lot more. Okay. The interquartile range, the difference there is about 3/4 of the overall range. So that's BAC. Now, why? Okay, why did you pick this one for B? Okay, the answer. I'll go to the answer. Okay, so the data is spread out, which it is. Okay, but most data is around the center. Okay, if it's kind of clustered around the halfway point, so it's going to be the lowest value. Okay, it's one of these things. If you get what's going on here, this is grand. If not, this is like, what the hell is this guy talking about? So this may never come up again. They do like nowadays kind of delving into questions about the deeper aspect of these things, which is why I've been saying to students a lot recently, look, make sure you've read the beginnings of chapters so you know what the basic logic or theory behind it is. That's what they're testing, that knowledge there. Not necessarily always your ability to calculate. Like, do you get what a histogram is? Okay, what a range is. And if you do, these questions can be, attempted. If you have no bug's notion of that kind of stuff, you're just guessing, basically. But at least guess. At least put something on the page. You have a chance of getting the mark. Okay, at least the low part or whatever. Or maybe get all these 3 right, you might hit the 4. Okay, it just depends on the marking scheme in any one year. And that's B and C marked together. Okay, and that's the end of question 5. So thank you, and see you on question 6.